Hi students, good morning to all. So now we continue the same chapter 13 surface area and volume. Exercise 13.3, question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter height and the radius of its base 24 meter. Find slant height of the tent and cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So first we need to find out the slant height and next we need to find the total amount of the canvas to find the canvas. Okay, so first we have to write the given values. So given that, so what are the given values is there? It height, so height is nothing but perpendicular height h. So height h which is equal to 10 meter, and next they have to given the base radius. So radius r which is equal to 24 meter. So we have a height and now we move on to find out the slant height L. First one, slant height. So you know that the formula to find out the slant height, that is L which is equal to root of h square plus r square. So square root of, here h is 10, so 10 whole square plus 24 whole square. If you multiple this 10, you square the 10 means you get 100 plus, so 24 square is 576. Now you add this to, you get 676. So what is the square root of 676? Is L which is equal to, it seems to be 26 meter. So this is the square root of 676. So square root of 676 is 26 meter. So first what we need to find out, slant height. So we have to find out the slant height, and next what we need to do, cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So how you find out the canvas? So before you find the rate, you need to find out the curved surface area of a conical tent. So first we need to find the curved surface area of a conical tent. So second one, you need to find out cost of canvas. So likewise you put this title, so slant height, cost of canvas. Likewise you have to put the title and present minutes give a very good presentation. Okay, so cost of canvas. So cost of canvas means what is the given? The given, it seems to be cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Just you have to write the first. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So which implies that CSA of conical tent. So once you find the CSA of a conical tent, at the time only we know how much canvas used. So what is the formula to find out conical tent? It pi r L square unit. Repeatedly I am saying you, this unit is very important. So pi r L square unit. Here they won't give any value for pi, so directly we take it as pi value is 22/7. Radius, you know that 24 centimeter. Height, this 10 meter. This 10 meter for not a slant height. So we find out the slant height 26 meter. So here we follow this one. Okay. So I just substitute the value pi r L 26 meter. So just you have to multiple these three values and divided by 7, you get a CSA of a canvas. So we have to multiply and find the value 13,728 divided by 7 meter square. So you no need to cancel it because we need to find out the cost of canvas. So already you know that cost of canvas per meter square is rupees 70. So here how much canvas the meter square? It seems to be 13,728 by 7 meter square. So cost of canvas 13,728 by 7 meter square is equal to 13,728 by 7 into 70. So now it is easy to cancel it. So 1 7s are 7, 10 7s are 70. You multiple this, you get 1,37,280. So what is the cost of canvas? So total cost of canvas is rupees 1,37,280. So this is the total cost of a canvas. Next we move on to question number 5. So question number 5 is what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margins and usage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So finally you must add this 20 centimeter for that conical. So 6 centimeter radius and 8 meter height. 8 meter height means you have such type of some curved surface area. Okay, but for margin and wastage you need to add this 20 centimeter. Okay, for the total tarpaulin. So tarpaulin, that cross section we have here 3 meter wide means you must to be divided by 3. You must divide by 3 means you get. So the curved surface area can be divided by 3. After that you add 20 means you get the value. So conical tent, the given value height equal to 8 meter and radius 6 meter. So before you find out a total required tarpaulin, so first you need to find out the CSA of this conical tent. CSA of a conical tent. So CSA of conical tent, which is equal to pi RL square units. So pi RL square units, so the value of pi here they given a 3.14. So the value of pi is 3.14 into R. R it seems to be 6. So now you can see here there is no L. So that's why already I told if you see the value, so height means it seems to be H, but in your formula it is L. So it is impossible to apply. Okay, so into L you keep it as same. Into L you keep it as same. So now what you need to do, you need to find out L. Okay, so before you applying, so many of them you done a mistake. You have to apply the value of L for 8 meter. This H value can be applied for L, so that is not correct. So that's why I just applied this one. So 3.14 into 6 into L. Okay, you need to find the value for L. So first you need to find out L. So L, which is equal to nothing but root of H square plus R square, which is equal to square root of, what is meant by H here? 8. So 8 square plus 6 square. So 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 36, which is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10 meter. So slant height is nothing but 10 meter. So now you need to find out the CSA of a conical tent. Next you need to divide by 3 means you get the wide. Okay, required wide will be, you got it, and you add the 20 means total required tarpaulin, we get it. Okay, so for that directly I go with the total required tarpaulin. So total required tarpaulin. So how it is? It seems to be CSA divided by 3 plus 20. So 20 it seems to be the extra wastage and margin. Okay, so CSA, how you take 3.14 into, and what is the radius? Radius is 6 meter into 10 meter. So L divided by 3. Okay, plus 20, this is centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. So how it is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So now you need to multiply this to what you get, 6.28. So 6.28 into 10. So 6.28 into 10, how you get? You get 60 61.28. Okay, 60. So you multiple, you get 62.8 meter square. Okay, meter square, and you need to add this one. Sorry, it seems to be meter, because here 3 meter is 0, 1 you cancel means its meter is also cancelled. So 62.8 meter plus, you can see this is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter, it can be divisible by 100, it change over to meter. So how it becomes? It becomes 0.2 meter, which is equal to 63 meters. So total required tarpaulin is 63 meter. So next we move on to the question number 6. A slant height and base of a diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meters. So this is the this is the slant height and this is the diameter. Okay, respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its surface area. Where you make a whitewashing, it seems to be the curved surface. Okay, this surface, it's mentioned curved surface, C surface. Okay, curved surface at rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So in a before question, we take 1 meter square, 1 meter square. So here 100 meter square, out of 100 meter square, it seems to be rupees 210. So what we have to find out? First we need to find out the curved surface area. So listen, you can calculate separately curved surface area and the cost. It seems to be cost of whitewashing 100 meter square equal to rupees 210. Okay, so total cost of whitewashing of conical tomb is equal to CSA divided by 100 into 210. Okay, this is also one shortcut method. You can try it, no problem. Otherwise, you have to do it separately. Solution: first you need to write the given value, slant height. So slant height, it's shortcutly written L, which is equal to 25 meter, and then diameter D, which is equal to 14 meter. Radius R is equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 meter. Okay, so next you need to find out cost of whitewashing. Before that, you need to find CSA. So CSA of conical tomb, which is equal to pi RL square units, pi RL square units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius, it seems to be 7 meter into slant height. Slant height, how much the slant height? 25 meter. So now you can reduce this, 7 will get cancelled, so remaining 1 meter. So 25 into 22. So how you get? You get 550 meter square. So this is the CSA of a conical tomb. CSA of a conical tomb. So cost of whitewashing, 100 meter square equal to rupees 210. Okay, so now you need to find out cost of whitewashing 550 meter square, which is equal to, So 550 meter square divided by 100 meter square into 210. So out of 100 meter square only 210. Okay, so now you can cancel this one. You get 10, so it seems to be 5.5. So 5.5 into 210. Otherwise you cancel this 0 also. 55 into 21, whatever it is. So now you need to multiple this to you get the amount. So you can multiple this, you get rupees 1155. Okay, so you can cancel in the same manner. Or how it is possible? 550 divided by 100 into 210 means you can cancel this 0 and 0. So now directly you multiple with 55 into 21 means 1 into 55, it seems to be 55, and 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10, 11. So what you get? 1155, same value. Okay, whatever it is the cancellation, you can do it in any way, but the answer is same. So now you got it. Cost of whitewashing of this conical tomb is rupees 1155. So now we move on to question number 7. Question number 7, you refer the book and read the question. I just clearly given. So hint, it seems to be in this question you need to find a CSA of your cone. Before you need to find CSA, you need to find out the slant height. Okay, slant height it's not separately. You need to calculate CSA means you need the value of L. So because of that you need to find out the slant height. After that, what you need to do? You need to do with 10. Why? Means how many cones is there? So totally 10 cones. So at the time only you got everything. So just you read the question and understand the concept. So what you need to find out? CSA of one cone, and you need to multiple with the 10 means you got a CSA of a 10 cone. So why you have to find out that CSA? Okay, you can check with your question. So in this homework you need to do it today itself. Okay, in this homework you need to do today itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.